Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning. I do really appreciate you all. Family, today we are making another scrumptious dish called Kwenkwen or Chinkaafa, which originates from the northern part of Ghana and is also popular in Kumasi in the Ashanti region. Growing up, I love this dish so much and I'll always save money for that after school. Today, I'm so happy to share my version of how to make Kwenkwen or Chinkaafa with you. And I hope you like it. Let's get started. I've got with me green bell pepper, fresh tomatoes, paprika, and one scotch bonnet pepper. With the seasonings, I've also got with me fennel seeds. I've got 2 dried bay leaves, and I've got grain of psyllium, cumin seed, anise seed, and cloves. I've also got my chopped white onions, 2 cloves of garlic, and ginger. I've also got tilapia, salted tilapia, just a small piece of it. And I have sardine in hot tomato sauce. I've also got my tomato paste, beautiful. And I've got some more ingredients, herring fillet, powdered prawns, and some more white onions. I'm going to blend all these ingredients together with the exception of the tilapia and then the tomato paste. So whilst I'm blending them, let me add oil to the saucepan. And when it's hot, I'll add my 2 pieces of salted tilapia for it to release its beautiful flavors in the oil. And family, you know how we do it. We've started building our flavors already, and you can tell it's going to be so amazing. I'm adding my white onions, and you can use the red onions. As always, you stir to avoid it being burned, and you wait till the onions turn golden brown or brown. Family, we are going for this color. It's all good. So now we're going to add our tomato paste and we will fry it for about 5 minutes. So keep watching, family, because we are building up our flavors at this stage so that the end results will be so amazing. Before you can continue from here, family, make sure that the tomato paste has fried so it stands alone. It stands individually or it looks pebble-like. I hope I'm clear here. Just like this, and then you can add your blended ingredients. Again, give it a good stir to combine everything nicely together. So now, family, I'm going to cover it up with my splatter guard. In about 7 to 10 minutes time, oil should start to settle at the top of the stew, and that is it. I'm now adding my sardine in hot tomato sauce. It's going to be so great. I love the aroma. I'm also adding my prawns powder. This aroma is so amazing. I'll go ahead and add my washed herring fillet. Beautiful. And then I'll add my carefully cleaned and washed locust beans or dawa. I use the word carefully because if it's not carefully washed, family, you're going to end up eating sand in your stew and you will not like it. You will even regret ever adding it to your stew. So make sure it's carefully washed from all the sandy particles, especially if you've never used it in your dishes before. As always, you give it a gentle stir to combine everything beautifully together. The water is about 95% dried out, so I'm adding my Maggi tablet. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Now stir to combine. In about 10 minutes time, the stew is well cooked and it's ready. So I'm saving some on the side, which will be used later on to serve our kwenkwen. So the stew in the saucepan, I'm going to add my brown rice to it. So we are just like making jollof rice. It's just that the stew is sort of like waakye stew, okay? Because of all the locust beans or the other one in it. And also we are using brown rice. And you're making kwenkwen, this is the best rice to use. And if you watch it, if you get this rice, you are good to go. That's the best for me. It's healthy and nutritious, but it comes with a lot of work. Hence, people using the white rice for waakye all the time. A lot of work has been done getting this brown rice ready. I had to take my time to remove the sandy particles and a whole lot more. But finally, we are here and it's been added to the stew. So you keep stirring to combine everything nicely. At this stage, you check if the salt is not enough. You add salt to taste. Just keep doing the usual thing like you're making your own jollof rice. Now I'm adding a little bit of water. I'm not adding too much because I don't want the rice to be soft. I want it to be, that single grain kind of rice. So add the water according to your taste and preference, okay? Finally, let's add salt to taste and again stir to combine everything nicely together. Because of the salted fish and the Maggi seasonings, that is why I'm now adding proper salt. Because sometimes the salted fish and then the Maggi seasonings alone is enough. But this time around, I had to add salt to taste. So keep checking on the rice from time to time. And I'm doing just that. The rice is doing good so far. It smells amazing. I love everything. Everything is so on point. And I love that. This is what happens exactly when the stew is more than the rice. It looks soft, but it doesn't feel soft. I like it like this. Ooh, beautiful. What an amazing aroma. Now that the water is dried out, I'm going to cover the rice tightly for the steam to completely cook the rice to perfection. At this stage, you need to lower the heat because you don't need too much heat to cook the rice for you. You only need the steam to cook the rice to perfection. If you don't do that, you're going to let the heat burn your rice and that will not be good at all. So lower the heat and let the steam do the job. Keep checking on the rice from time to time. And wow, I love the vibrant aroma. This is so incredible, family. This time the rice is cooked, is ready, and about to be served. Look at that. This is aromatic. I am so in love with this. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait. Family, just like that, in no time, I'm done making my version of Chinkaafa or Kwenkwen, and the whole house smells so amazing. I'm really in love with this recipe and I hope you like it. Hopefully, you give this recipe a try and bring me the feedback, which I will really appreciate. Family, if you've been inspired enough, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my recipes. And if you are new, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, click on the bell button to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Follow me on Facebook, like my page, follow me on Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's build this amazing family together. Ooh, and finally, I'm topping it up with my homemade shaker or black chili sauce, which I don't go without. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, enjoy, take care. Bye all. Mwah. Kiss.